What up, YouTube? What's up, New York? Binitrapс here. Like this video right now. Trust me, I'll tell you how did I manage to find myself on this exclusive side of the barricades, bypassing tens of thousands of people who were told to stay back. I infiltrated New York City Times Square. Stick around until the end of this video and I'll reveal to you how you can experience New Year's Eve in Times Square like never before, without the need to wake up at 5 a.m. or spend all day without the bathroom breaks. As you can see, I'm right in the heart of Times Square on the other side of the barricades on New Year's Eve. Top that, like the video right now. And also, let's fly over to the Hudson Yards, not just for shopping, but for breathtaking views from the 100th floor. The city looks entirely different from up here, and it's a sight you won't want to miss. And of course, you've got to come and skate at the Rockefeller Center. It's not just an activity, it's an experience. Glide across the ice with the majestic Rockefeller Christmas tree above you, a quintessential New York City moment.
But this was truly an experience at the Rockefeller Center right here. This is so iconic, man. If you want to do this, I say go ahead. Woo! Don't do that.
Welcome to the concrete jungle where dreams are made, and tonight where sleep is officially banned. New York City on New Year's Eve. I'm your guide through this madness. Binitraps here, and I'm here to show you how the city transforms from a big apple to a big party as the clock ticks down to midnight. Imagine this, the city that never sleeps decides to throw a sleepover and everybody's invited. Times Square becomes the living room, and oh boy, it's packed. You've got more people here than in a crowded subway car during rush hour, all squeezed together, sharing this one monumental moment. And the mood, it's electric, like the first time you tasted freedom as a kid, but with million other strangers sharing that same taste.
Okay, I reached on 46th. Every block I go to and look sideways, you can tell the city's lit like towards that way. That's where it's happening. I'm gonna head over there right after the skating rink. Yo, from this point on, man, it's all barricaded, like all the way down there. This is the only entrance. Let me get in. Let me try to get in before they block everything off. 50th. Okay. Oh. Watch out. Watch out. Watch out. There's a kid coming through, guys. Wait. One more stroller. One more.
Thank you.
All right. Now let's get back to regular business. Here you go.
Excuse me, just a minute.
I
Can't see anything. Excuse me, sir. We're going back to
How about now?
It's just give me a second. What's the address? I need to see
It's
that.
Times Square, Rockefeller Center. It's the skating rink.
I need the address. I'm sorry.
Rockefeller Center. I don't know.
I'm not from Manhattan. I got to see an address.
It's where the skating rink
That's
is.
not on this block, though, is it?
Yeah,
It has
that's
to
what
be
it's
on-
telling me. Like
No.
right here.
You see that? That's more turns.
Yeah, it goes
I
straight.
can't let you in. That's the point. You have to be on this specific block.
So how can I get there?
You have to go to 38th or 56 and then cut through.
Cut through where?
Either way, you can go either way at that point.
But they told us if you show your tickets, you can go there. That's my reservation.
Yeah, I understand, but right now this block is specifically closed
Wow.
unless you have business on this street.
I have reservation here in Lily's.
Lily's, come on.
Yeah, with me.
Hold on. She showed me a
Yo,
Okay.
I need to see reservations.
reservations. Jesus.
Come with us, we are five.
All right, excuse me.
alone? Yeah, she's alone.
You're alone?
Excuse me, let me pass through. All right, so apparently I have to go like 20 more blocks.
Yeah.
That's messed up. Yo, that is crazy, man. He's like, I'm not from here. Like, what kind of police is that? Shit. Yeah, everywhere you go, huge lineup, huge. Jeez. Yo, all these people going where? I don't know. All I know is I'm trying to get to the Rockefeller Center. All right, let's go.
Oh, listen up. If you're trying to cross over to go to 6th Avenue or Broadway or whatnot, this ain't the place. Only people who are coming down this block are people who have restaurant reservations or they have a room in a hotel on this block. Not 2 blocks down, not 3 blocks up, on this block.
So how can we get there?
Anybody else who's trying to come in, you can either go into the Pens or go to 56th Street.
56,
That's
okay.
it.
The pins are where?
Is this good?
Or what?
I'm trying to get there. The Rockefeller Center.
Rockefeller Center is like 2 avenues down
56.
and on 50 something. So you got to go.
56.
So 50. No, don't go to 56. 56 is a pen.
Okay.
57th is where they're gonna let you cross over to 6th.
Okay, so 57th?
No. Yeah, 57th. Don't
All
go
right.
to 56.
Yeah.
Go to 57th. That's where you're gonna be able to cross over.
Okay.
Okay.
57, thank you. All right, let's go. He said, I think he said they'll be able to let me cross.
Don't push.
Yo, I've been doing this every block, like, you know?
To 57. 57 is closed.
Ah. What time is your reservation?
No, I don't have one. I'm just there. I checked in yesterday.
Oh my God. How are you gonna, good luck.
I don't know, but I'm about to see.
Wow, man.
Noah? I'm trying, Noah. I just can't get around people with cameras.
You have a reservation?
No, I gotta go.
Okay.
Thank you.
What is the cross street of that?
We just around the corner.
I know, sir. You can talk to the police. He may let you through. I can't let you through on that, but he may be able to convince the police. Okay.
All right.
How about
Talk
this?
to the police.
Rockefeller Center.
Rockefeller Center is on the other side of Broadway. You go to 59th Street.
Wow.
You walk across because Broadway is blocked.
59th until when?
59th over to 6th Avenue and then over to 5th
59th,
Avenue.
6th,
Rockefeller
okay.
Street. Rockefeller Center is on 50th Street and 5th Avenue.
50th and 5th.
On
Okay.
59th, you can go all the way across.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you. Yo, everybody's telling me different stories, but somehow we're gonna get it. Let's go. Wow, more barricades. Jesus. Wow. This is crazy. Wow. Excuse me. Whoa. You guys see better than me. Shit.
Listen. You going live?
Yeah. Not live, but
Live?
later, yeah.
Happy New Year.
Yeah, Happy New Year. So got to 57th, seems to be open. So I should have listened to that first guy, I guess. So 57, walk to 6th. These cops told me, like, it's not happening, the city's closed. I'm like, but I have a booking, man. He's like, okay, then go try on the 6th. So let's see what happens. Wow, when they say it's blocked off, it's blocked off. They don't joke around, man. They really don't joke around. Sorry, I was trying to get to the Rockefeller Center.
Rockefeller Center.
You gotta go cross over there at 54.
54, this way?
Go that way.
54 to go that way?
Yeah.
Oh my
Because
God.
Right now we're on 6.
Okay.
So that should be around 5th and 51st. So you're
Fifth,
gonna go
okay.
down until you hit 5th, and you can go straight down once you hit 5th. Further that way to like 51st.
Okay, so cross 54.
Yep. And then you can keep going that way
Okay.
until you hit 5th.
That's where the ice skating rink is?
You're looking for Rockefeller Center, right?
The skating spot there.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then you go down and you'll hit 51st. If you have any questions, once you get
Once I get around there, okay.
there's a million
So,
cops.
okay, yeah, I see that. 54, and then,
54
yeah,
until you hit 5th,
yeah,
and then go down.
5th. Okay,
till you hit
54 and
like
5th.
51st.
Okay. Thank you. Shit. Yo, I don't even know if I'm gonna make it. So now they're telling me to go that way. this is insane. Yo, so Fifth Avenue is like a different city. Looks like a different city. Got Santa coming your way. I'm getting closer to my reservation time. At last, guys, I made it. Wow. This was the place I was trying to get to the whole time. Jeez. Yo, sorry.
Yeah, feeling origin story.
I'm trying to.
Is this the ticket?
Yeah.
For 8 ton?
Yeah. 808. I made it somehow.
Yeah, you got to put
Thank you.
that on.
Thank you. Yo, finally got in. Jesus. Where do I go? All right. Okay, I thought it was here. All right, let's get it. All right. Let's go skiing, guys. It looks fun. Jeez. Hey. Woo. Yes, thank you, brother. Thank you. Got my skates secured. Let's go. Oh man, this has been a dream. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's see if I still remember. Yo, you guys gonna laugh at me or what? Man, I don't know if I'll be able to skate. Yeah, the whole New York is gonna watch me. And now the whole world, you guys. If I fall on my ass, promise to leave a comment. I saw you fall on your ass.
Hey, my good people. If you've stuck with me all the way through this adventure, you're either into my vibe or you've got nothing better to do. Either way, I appreciate you. Now for the grand secret of how I infiltrated Times Square on New Year's Eve without selling a kidney for a spot or pretending like a lost tourist. Kind of like what I did there. So here's the deal, the big reveal, the magic trick behind the madness. I booked a hotel on 42nd Street. Yeah, that's it. No secret handshakes with the mayor, just a plain old hotel reservation. You showed up to the cops and suddenly you're the VIP that they didn't even know they were expecting. But hold up, make sure your hotel actually in the Times Square zone. Don't get fancy and book something close to Times Square unless you think a view of the action from the New Jersey is what you're after. Yeah, and about the price, I dropped like a $330 a night, which, let's be honest, feels like a steal compared to $1,000 you'd cop up at a table at some of those restaurants, where the only view you get is of the waiter. So
this was truly an experience at the Rockefeller Center right here. This is like so iconic, man. If you want to do this, I say go ahead. Don't do that. Just come out here, enjoy yourself. December 2023 ending in a nice way. Right now it's about to be 9, like 10 to 9. Yo, just enjoying my life right here. I hope you do too. Come outside. Woo. Come outside and play. We're all out here. Yeah.
there you have it, folks. How to sneak into Times Square for New Year's Eve like a boss. Thanks for watching, and if ever you find yourself using this tip, remember, who hooked you up? Drop a like, hit a subscribe, and maybe next time I'll show you how to get out of Times Square after the ball drop. Spoiler alert, it's a lot harder.